So without further ado, I'm going to move on to transform your look from day to night using my mannequins and my model. So after that, then you can ask me any questions if you like to. So very quickly, the transformation here is for 4 days, from Monday to Thursday. Okay, if you see up here, right, you realize that the looks here will be a notch above what all of you probably usually wear. I'm not saying everybody, because I'm sure some of you have to put on a very smart suit every day, very polished look every day. But some of you in your industry, they may allow you to be a bit dressed down. They may say, oh, you can just come in polo t-shirts, you can come in jeans or even capri pants, you can come in flip-flops. But let's just put all these aside, because today we're here to dress a little bit better than what we have been doing. Yes? Do we all want to do that? Let's hear. Great. All right, because I like to see the enthusiasm from you. So from then on, you will then be prepared to put in more effort. Think about what you're going to wear tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Monday, right? So think about what you're going to wear tomorrow, tonight. And take that out first and prepare everything. And not wait until tomorrow, Monday blues, and say, I have Monday blue, just wear black. Or blue. Dark blue as in. So let's start by sharing with all of you. I believe all of you can see. Everybody can see from the back? Okay? All right. Shireen is my assistant. She'll help me in some of the transformation. Then later, I have a model, Veronica, who will come up and walk the talk for you. All right? Okay. So from here, we begin. Now, how many of you on a Monday is usually dark colors? Hands up. Because I already say Monday blue, Monday blacks, whatever. All right, so a lot of us, Monday, how many of you need to wear jackets? Some of you do. Not everybody do. But because of course, the look, I would like to give a smarter look. Let's say Monday, I have to have a Monday meeting with my bosses. And I have to do a presentation. That's where it's very important. When you want to do a presentation, when you want to wow your bosses, your colleagues, your peers, you really want to stand out. And today, my black, if you see the design that I have, it is not all black. Can you see back there? Okay. This has been designed with some differentiation. Is that if you can see, my buttons are in leather. If you come close enough, you can see they're actually leather-wrapped buttons. And if you can see, the side of the skirt, similarly, it has this leathery feel, just a very little bit. I designed it with a very, very slight touch of leather because then it will look a bit chic rather than just classic. All right? So then I have it laid this way. Why do I do that? Because this will allow the lady to appear slimmer, right? Because there is so-called attention coming inwards, and that's very important. Okay? And what I've done is I've placed a very subtle muted purple. Now, a lot of us do not want to be very loud on a Monday because you're really feeling a bit gloomy, I know. But still, if you're going to just put a black top inside, it's just going to be like, you look a bit too authoritative, and sometimes you can look a little bit unfriendly with all black. Okay? So that's why I've used so-called a certain muted purple. It's not very bright. Okay, it might look bright from there because of the so-called the lighting, but it isn't very bright. Okay? So there are vertical lines as well that makes this person slimmer again. Okay? And if you don't like what you see here, for me, like I said, when I customize, I would tell some of my clients, I said, okay, you don't need to have so-called full length. I can have it 3/4, right? So that can be done as well. Okay? So you see, you just have, for work, you don't have to wear very big a jewelry or something that dangles too much because you're afraid it gets hooked onto something. So I just chose a very simple, so-called like a little crystal here. Can you all see that? Hey, one big advice for everyone. Please remove all accessories the moment you reach home and don't wear anything on before when you go to sleep, because you tend to be wearing the same necklace on a daily basis if you wear that everyday necklace. I call it the everyday necklace. You know the everyday necklace? Day in, day out. bathing, everything is the same. So if you do that, you'll find that you will never want to remove. Again, 没有丑的女人，只有懒惰的女人. Alright, so remember that. So anything you put on, you must remove. Okay? So this one, right, is your day look. So how are we going to transform it to a night look? Okay? The first step is this jacket. At night, you'll remove the jacket. Okay? Right? Okay? And what will be the next thing you do after you remove the jacket? Okay? I'm going to bring this belt, to work. Because I remember my friends say, okay, Monday is my birthday, we need to celebrate. But you're saying that, okay, have to go on a Monday. Okay, so let's do something here, right? It's not over yet because we need to change this, right? Because this looks a little bit too small, maybe. Let's have a bigger one. And why did I choose black? Do you see that it's black? I didn't choose because I like to so-called be close to the family here, the leather effect here, right? So if you can see, there's a leather effect here, and so I put this on. All right? Can you all see that? Okay, so this is your night look. Simple enough. You can still wear back the same black shoe. It's fine, unless you really love to still change out to another pair of shoes. Okay, so I leave the shoes to your option, right? So just to give it a slight turn so that you can see the side. Okay, the side is like that. The leathery effect over here with the buttons. Very, very subtle. Okay, it's not too sexy for work. It's still okay. All right, acceptable. All right. So this is your Monday look. Okay. All right. Then we move on to the Tuesday look. Okay. Now, how many of you love wearing pants? We have many ladies wearing pants. Okay, that's why I have, fair and square, 2 skirts, 2 pants. Okay. All right. So pants. How many of you actually own only black pants and that's it, or white? Have you ever thought of a colored pants? This is red, but look at the red. Is that acceptable? What do you think? How many of you would dare to wear this red? Because it's not bright red. It's not ang pao red. But it's more like a wine red. So it's more played down. So if you ever want to find a pants that's red in color, of course, we have very, adventurous people who dare to wear brighter red. But there'll be some who say, oh, no, I don't want. Now, you can opt for darker red. Now, when I talk about body type, I always tell the ladies, if you're of a slightly larger frame, you wear darker colors. And that also refers to colors. Red is one color. Purple is one color. Blue is one color. Green is one color. Because they only say, I'll wear black. And that's it. So think of darker colors, all right? So red and this gray, very, very nice, so-called soft gray here, right? For just a one-button jacket, so it looks less formal and it's not very heavy, right? And if you can see, I put this beads, all right? It's just so-called in 2 turns, right? And then there is a blouse inside, okay? Now, I'm going to do, again, transformation for you. Firstly, we remove this. How many of you usually wear a blouse like that and then go to work? Blouse and a pants or blouse and a skirt? How many of you do that? Blouse and pants? Yeah. So is this an acceptable look for some of you? Okay, and you still look very polished, very sharp. So this can be a look, all right? After you have met your client and say, okay, off with the jacket. So now you are in the office, like that, and you can still go for lunch like this. Then, of course, I'm now going to create the so-called night look. So I'm going to change this out. Okay, I'm going to so-called remove this necklace. And then, now, because of transformation on stage, I have to place this jacket inside. Okay? But otherwise, you can choose to simply go into the toilet, your office toilet, okay? Bring this jacket along, remove that blouse. I'm sure you need to go to the restroom. It's not a big, issue. Okay? You just bring a jacket, okay? A glamour-looking jacket, and then you put on the jacket, right? And then maybe just one very simple necklace like that. How does this look? Different. It's more glam. Maybe there's a cocktail chic event on a Tuesday. It's like there's an opening of Burberry's on Tuesday at Ion. So after work, what to wear? I must think. So we have to do a bit of a so-called transformation very quickly. Like I said, you have to carry some things extra in the office. You can't just expect that things will fall on you like that. Okay? All right, so this is the next look, tonight. Okay, then we have our Wednesday look. Now, Wednesday look, very simple. A lot of you, I'm sure, have your LBDs. Yes? Your LBDs. Now, my LBD is slightly different because it comes with a little bit of a pattern. If you can see white, a little bit of white on that black, which makes it look a little bit different from your friend's dress. Because all LBDs kind of look about the same. So, of course, you say, oh, black, so throw over maybe a red jacket, a pink jacket, maybe a yellow jacket, a green jacket, whatever. It's a colored jacket. Just opt for a color that you find, that it flatters your skin tone. Okay? So this is a very simple look that I think a lot of us can look very classic, and yet at the same time can be a notch above others. Okay? Then, of course, if I do not want the jacket, because not every one of us love wearing jacket, or we feel that it's a bit warm. Now, this type of width, about 1.5 inch, is still suitable for work, but please, no spaghetti for work. It's really not very nice to remove your jacket, show off your camisole plus your kway teow. You know what's the kway teow? Okay, thank you. Please keep your bra straps, the bra lines, out of sight. Not very nice. Okay. Then so this is sometimes a little bit too simple, So we can throw over just if you want to up the look, just like that. Very simple. Okay, easy. Okay? Just one extra. But if you still want to look quite glam, and of course at night you can carry a clutch bag, or you can carry even a bling bag. So at night, let's say you want to go partying, right? I told you go dancing, right? Go dancing, Don't use this, okay? Use this one. There you go. You can dance, and then you won't get in a way of holding anything. It's really a chore to dance with something in your hands. It's not nice. Hold your handphone, hold your small little wallet, hold all that. So you can just do that, all right? Or if you still feel that, okay, handbag, all right? Sometimes, So, for example, you feel that, okay, I want to be more glam. So, can do that. Because this one, sometimes you carry it this side. It doesn't mean that you always hold it over like that. So, it's always different looks. It's how you play with it, that's all. And then you change your shoe. Go and get something like this, the sequin type of shoes with embellishment. And it can look very nice and hip. Alright, now, next, of course, we have our Thursday look. Now, this is a very natural look because natural meaning that it's pants and then you can see the vest style. Now, the vest is coming back into fashion. I'm not sure whether you all know that. Okay, you can have a very smart vest. That vest can make you still look a little bit maybe less casual. For so-called for a meeting as well. So you can have this. Then, of course, maybe I'll just pull it in a bit. Right? So what you can do is you can wear this over a blouse, a long sleeve blouse. It can be with a short sleeve as well. It depends. Okay, a lot of you probably own a black pants, so I brought in a black pants. So you can see some of the things I bring in is probably possible for all of you to wear. Because I didn't want it to be too dramatic. Otherwise, a lot of you might not want to wear it. So after work, I go party. My black blouse is something different. It has more You can see it already has its own rhinestone in, it's cinched in, so that you look like you have a waist, and then it has this nice ruffles here as well. And of course, on a daytime basis, you may carry a very nice bag, okay? Right, very nice bag, something like that even. Nice. Can put your A4 document, very Samantha style. You know Samantha from Sex and the City? Very Samantha, this bag, okay? Right, very, so you can use two ways, dual way. This way. Flexi, yeah? Good. Right, so again, you must be sometimes when you shop, sometimes you really have to look at things and look at how you can use the item in more than maybe 3-4 ways so that it really glams up your look. Right, so you can hold this, you can go for meeting and everybody go like, wow, who is that? Coming in and it looks like serious business. Alright, so this is the styles that you can change around. And you don't really need to wear any necklaces anymore for this one because you don't want to look like Christmas tree. Okay? Then of course at night also you can carry clutch bag. Clutch bag for black, you can wear, or with this one also can, clutch bag, even this, any of these. Because red really stands out, so-called from your black. So you just carry a clutch bag. It's very easy. Okay? So I think a lot of you have to learn how to sometimes accessorize more than even sometimes dressing. The dressing is one thing, but accessories is even more important.